planning of surgery should be done accordingly, which can improve the management of the patient drastically. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, doctor. I just have a small question. That is,
Yes.
when you did the DTPA scan of the kidney,
Yes, sir.
what was the function on the left kidney? What percentage specifically?
It was, sir, around 20% only.
20%. What's usually indication for nephrectomy? Is it not less than, well, you did the right thing taking it off, but generally one takes it off when the function is less than 10%, isn't it? Or is it more?
It is there, but the patient had.
But still, you have the right-sided hydronephrosis with some sort of back stages. Have you done anything for that reflux, like a sting procedure or anything? When will you do a reimplantation?
Compensatory, sir.
Sorry? No, your ureter is also involved. Your right ureter is also enlarged, according to your study. Did you do anything about the reflux? What are the other prophylactic measures for treating with a midline wound other than tension sutures? I know tension sutures, yes. Some decades ago, yes, that's true. I'll take it. I mean, it's a paper, you've presented it very well. But what are the other prophylactic stuff that you can use to the wound to make it stronger? Well, I'll tell you, if you're not sure, the mesh, the role of prophylactic use of mesh has been used, especially the biological mesh, the absorbable mesh has been used in selected cases, like, if you have a patient with aortic aneurysm, where there's already collagen problems, or if you're operating a case with Marfan syndrome, which is again a collagen problem, these are all, or a repeat abdomen, or even where you're doing a colostomy, these are all areas where people are thinking about or doing studies on prophylactic mesh. And hopefully in your next presentation, hopefully you'll be presenting the role of prophylactic mesh in these cases. But otherwise, very well done. Thank you. Ashwin?
Can increase the potential in the wound healing, while also further studies are needed to prove the efficacy. Thank you.
Dr. John, actually Dr. Harsh has not been able to join us because he is on COVID duty.
Okay, fine.
And so that is the last of the papers in this session, sir.
Right, okay, that's fine. Thank you. Can we ask you questions, Anand?
Sir?
Can we ask you questions?
Sir?
Thank you, Anand. Thank you very much.
Dr. Ashwin is having a big smile.
I thank.
Probably asking why were you, Dr. Anand? You will be able to answer the questions related to the presentation.
I thank all the panelists. I think it was a beautiful presentation, every one of you. Sometimes, I may have looked as though I didn't agree with you, but we gave you good marks. But I think one comment I need to make is, you need to make your slides shorter. That is, when you finish that slide, I want to know what you have said. That is, I'm not even listening to you, looking at the slide, the guy should know. So it should come only as a few points. And second thing you have to do is, there should be contrasting colors. Like for instance, if the covering is yellow, then the inside letters should be bright. And also speak a bit more slower. All of you have got excellent data, you're prepared very well. But you need to speak slowly and emphatically so that your main points are driven home. And keep repeating your main points. We don't need to know much of the history of the things here, because short presentation, like the gentleman who presented on the septation, he spoke a bit about embryology because that's the most important part. A bit more picture on embryology, and also learn to draw your pictures. Taking pictures from journals is okay, but I think your cases, you can even draw your handwritten picture and put it there and take a photo and put it up in your presentation. That's good. Also say what is missing in your thing. What more thing can you do? What are the new things which could have been done in future? Maybe you can say that if you want. But otherwise, very well done and very good presentation on the whole. Ashwin? Anand, thank you. We are within the time limit, so thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. John and Dr. Ashwin. We'll take a short commercial break and start the next session.
Great.